we are doing an inauguration today. We decided because in this city, called Haikou City, we are increasing daily with the Nigerians. We are increasing daily. Before, when I came here first, we are about 3 Nigerians. But as time goes on, we started increasing to 15 Nigerians in this city. So we decided to make a group to have an organization whereby we can have someone that represents us in case there is anything that happens to one of us here, or in case there is something that we needed help from other organizations in another city in this China. So today we have inauguration that we are handing over selected executives, the people who are going to be leading the Nigerians in this city. So for now, today is Sunday. We just finished having Sunday service. Now it's about 2:30 p.m. and the meeting will be starting by 5. Okay, I will try to get some clips to upload, even though my battery is kind of messing up today, but I'm going to get some videos to show to you guys. But right now, at my back you can see the church members at my back. We are having a refreshment after church service. Okay, so looking at my back now, okay, yes, you guys can see. Even though it's not clear, those are the church members. Okay, we just have a little refreshment, and after that we will now go to the venue, another university, Hainan Medical University, where we are going to hand over to the people who are going to lead representatives. If there is any issue that arises here in the city, we can be able to communicate with other Nigerian organizations in another city. So this is the main point. This is the reason why we need to create an organization here in this city, Haikou. So till then, see you. Come and see this guy, John ever so bad,
You stop coming to church. You didn't come last week.
Hey! You! See, he's exposing me. Okay, yeah, introduce yourself to my subscribers. Okay.
Why is he going by name from Nigeria? This is my beautiful sister, also from Nigeria. We call her Chini. Chinko. Chinko. Abbreviation of Chinese. Chinko.
So if you don't know my alias name here, if you don't call me Lady King, you can call me Chini Chinko. Okay?
Lady King. This name I'm moving back. I think I can look today now.
Yes. Yes, my camera is ready. Okay, so everything is happening today, guys. Okay, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you still waiting for? Click on that red button and subscribe. Sharp. Okay, see you then. So guys, we're in the bus heading to the place. Okay, and this is my friend.
Okay guys, today is a rainy day and we are taking a public bus to the venue. The rules in China is that you must put on your nose mask before entering into a bus. So right now we are inside the bus, and this public bus is quite affordable, comfortable, especially if you're not in a haste and you have to pay with your WeChat card or cash. So it's very simple and easy to go with.
So guys, this is the school. We have arrived to the Hainan Medical University. Okay, so we are heading to the place we are going to do the inauguration. There is something I want to show you guys. Hey Faith, wait for me. Faith, there is something I want to show you guys. Here, since this coronavirus thing lockdown, a lot of us here, it has been so hard to get something from Nigeria, like buying foodstuffs or anything. Yeah, red oil, palm oil, whatever, cooking stuff, like African foodstuffs, okay? And you cannot be eating Chinese food all the time. I mean, you cannot be eating Chinese food every day. So there's something I want to show you guys. It's not like we don't have palm fruit in China. Like, let me show you trees. But the fact is that they don't know the meaning of this tree. They just use it as flower. Just imagine if China knows what they have used as flower. Look at here. These are palm trees and they're using it as flower. You can see from here. Let me zoom this place. All these things that you're seeing here, they are all palm trees. So that's the funny part of it. And here we are looking for red oil everywhere. Like 500 ml of palm oil now is about 150, 120 RMB. Just check it in Naira and know how much it is. That's if you see any palm oil, okay? So see you guys. I'll keep updating you what we are doing today. So right now we are decorating the whole place. Okay. How do I look with my big earring? So guys, as it is now, we are decorating the classroom because we are going to do it inside classroom. Right now we are at Hainan Medical University and waiting for other Nigerians to come to the venue. So for now we are decorating the classroom that we are going to use for the inauguration. So as we are getting the classroom ready, we are also waiting for other Nigerians to come before we start. Okay, so let's keep following. For now the classroom is empty, so stay tuned and subscribe.
A chairman-elect, all newly elected Excos, our important guests, my fellow Nigerians in Hainan, ladies and gentlemen, good evening everyone. Speech delivered by Ms. Faith Honor, Electoral Committee Chairperson at the inauguration program of the 2020 newly elected Excos of all Nigerians in Hainan. First of all, I would like to thank you all for coming and making this day a memorable day. Without all of you who are seated here now, this program will not have been possible. Thank you all for coming. My second appreciation goes to the new elected Excos who, in spite of their busy schedules, still accepted to take up this mantle of leadership to serve us all. Service is not a bed of roses. It comes with all sorts of challenges. So, thank you so much for accepting to serve. Thank you. Please let's clap for them. In summary, my viewers, please take this position seriously. Learn and grow. Okay, to my fellow Nigerians in Hainan, I want you to know that without you, they are not leaders. Without a follower, there will be nothing but a leader. Play your part well by supporting them. Don't make things difficult for them. Answer when you are called, whether for meeting or anything. When they make mistakes, help them, correct them, rather than mock them. What they need is our full support. Any idea that will help the growth of this organization, don't hesitate to pass it to the leaders. Together, we will achieve the great Nigerian organization.
Call the chairman, Mr. William, to please our next position, the second position, we have to call Ms. Nurse Oluwa. Next position, we have to call Miss Deborah. Yeah, let's introduce the welfare officer. This is Kenny. Then finally, we call on the public relation officer, Mr. Paul. So now we have to call on the electoral committee members. Please come on.
Can I begin? Yes. So that you can officially take your position and work, because we are looking up to you to work.
I'm live.
Okay. And then I, G, E, R, I, A.
Yes, so
So now our next point is by the new elected coordinator. So we call our coordinator, Mr. Gojo, to come and give us his wonderful speech.
Nigerians in Hainan. Great Nigerians in Hainan. First and foremost, I want to thank everyone for making the point of time to be here with us today. Despite the rain and the weather conditions, we really appreciate you guys for making it your program today. I know this is why we are called in Nigeria here in this place, and not precisely. And although I'm not happy with the turnout today, we are much, if you check at the group, we have about 55 people, if I'm not mistaken, but how many people are here to witness this day is not really encouraging. And secondly, my appreciation goes to the electoral committee. They really did a very wonderful job. Because without them, I'm not sure this institute will be set today. So I'm thanking each and every one of you for making it, for us, making it possible, especially the electoral committee, like I said earlier on. So I don't want to mention names, but I'm thanking you all in general for making this a wonderful platform for us. And we promise, taking the oath as the new Excos and the executive, we promise to serve the people, serve the masses with all our efforts and the way we can do to make sure here looks like a home for us away from home. So my special gratitude to the electoral committee members. We really appreciate your good words in putting this platform. Please, a round of applause.
In addition to what our president just said, we're talking about sports activities here. There's one thing we practice back home, it is called football. I don't know whether you have the right of it. Early in the morning jogging, it is called road ball. We are Nigerians, we can still do it here, depending on the way we operate. You know, I'm a sportsman. Anything sports, come here, one side. Anything sports, come here. Football, basketball, any type you want, I'm here. Just let us, like people like, let me not call them, but people that have big body, people like Blossom, Gambis, you need to be doing some every Saturday. It's not funny. People like Paul, when you see Paul juggling, you know that it's not easy to be a man.
guys, as you can see, this is the time I'm coming back to the dormitory. You can see everywhere is dark. Everywhere is dark. Like, I'm so fucking tired. I'm so tired right now. So thank God what we did, everything went well. By the grace of God, we did it very well. I thank God for today. This is what I've been expecting for many years. Like, I wish for, because I want us all, the Nigerians here, Hainan province, Haikou city, because I needed us to come together as one, you know, to have a kind of organization that will put us together, and you know, will help us to organize anything that we want to organize easily. So I'm so happy the way everything went today and the way everything has been going since, and I thank God for it. Yeah, that is all for today. And here saying to everyone, because I'm going to lock it up for now, good night, sweet dreams, and make sure that you pray before you sleep. Okay, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and please don't forget to click on that red button to subscribe before you leave, and also put on your notification bell so that you know each time I upload a new video. Okay, thank you so much, and I would love to see you again on my next video. Drop your comments on the comment section. What do you think about this inauguration that we did today, this organization that we created in order to create unity here? And this program is just only for Nigerians in Haikou city, in China, Hainan province. You know, this is outside country, this is not Nigeria. When you're living in another man's land, you need to join any group, any organization, okay, because no one knows tomorrow. If we are not together, there is no way that we can help each other. So that is why having such organization is very important. And if you are living outside country, if you don't have any organization that you belong to, I will advise you to find one and join today, because it really helps. Okay, it's very important. So I'll be closing it up now. See you guys, bye.